You have no idea how long I've been waiting to hear that. It's only my students who know how hideously complicated it is to get the bloody thing to do that. Okay, so we're now looking at the brain as if he's lying on the back, staring at the ceiling, and you can see those two very well-formed C-shaped areas. Now, all of this is in the white matter of the brain. Now, the white matter, you might remember, is the connective tissue. It's not the cell bodies. You remember that, the neuron has the cell body, and then it has that axon, that tail that connects it to the next neuron. Well, the brain has that in layers. The outer part of the brain is the large chunk of its gray matter, and then all that cabling goes underneath it to connect it to the various areas, and part of it, of course, forms the spinal cord. So it was symmetric, so this wasn't random, and I had an extra blob on the right side. Now, the names of the areas, in case anybody's curious, I put it in your slide packet. Everybody say it with me now. The superior occipitofrontal fasciculus. Try that over penile plethysmography. And the extra blob, which was only on one side of the brain, is the arcuate fasciculus. To me, it looks like Marge Simpson. Kind of with a frying pan. Okay, yeah, you're seeing it now. Now, the arcuate fasciculus in the left hemisphere actually is famous among neuroscientists because it connects Wernicke's area with Broca's area, the two major language areas. Nobody has any idea what it does in the right hemisphere. Of course. So those are the areas, it's white matter, but how do we interpret that? I mean, what does this actually say about pedophilia, and what does it say about brain growth, and what does it say about what we can do? Now, I also had absolutely